Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making the flower jar, which is made using paper quilling strips, and here I have made the shaker jar which is having water bubbles, and I will share each and every step of how to create the shaded effect of water, how to create the beautiful sunflower along with the lavender flowers and fillers, and convert this into birthday greeting card. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this beautiful die by Sizzix for the jar cutting, and to cut this I am using here Easy Cuts machine by Dress My Craft, and using this golden glitter paper and just passing through the machine to cut the jar shape. If you don't have die, you can cut the same shape using paper cutter. Just draw a jar shape on paper and cut it. Now here we will get the border of the jar with this die. So I'm just removing it from the die like this, and we will be needed these borders to create the shaker window. So here I have created some more windows of the jar shape, total 6 in quantity. Now we will gather all together and create the shaker. And also we will be needed one piece of acetate sheet of the jar shape to create the window. Now one by one I am connecting all these white windows together first. Then on top of this, adding B7000 glue and sticking acetate sheet jar shape. And then on topmost part I am adding glue again and sticking the glitter frame. And it should look like this. Then taking one more white color base of the same size which will come in the base of the jar, and from bottom towards the top side I am doing the little shading work using blue watercolor, just spreading it in ombre effect to create the water kind of color. Then here I am taking sap green color 3mm strip, just folded this into half, add glue and stick both the layers together. Again folding it into half, adding glue and making the thick stem. Now dividing this tip in two parts, and similarly I have prepared lots of stems already. Then taking back the jar, and exactly in the center I am sticking these stems one by one, because after making the shaker you cannot add the stems. So before creating the shaker you have to do this step, and it will look like the flowers are inside the jar and the stems are visible through the jar. Like this. Then taking back my window which we have created, pouring some these transparent pearls which will work like the water droplets. Then adding glue on the edge and sticking with the blue color base jar. Burnish it gently and your beautiful jar shaker window is completely ready, looking very pretty. Now I'm starting with making the sunflower. So to create one petal, here I'm taking one strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So similarly, I have already prepared lots of light yellow color petals and same quantity dark yellow color petals. So to create one sunflower we need these much petals. Now taking here half strip of 10 mm brown strip and just folding it into half and making the fringes like this. Then opening this and connecting one strip of 7 mm brown color strip with this, which is already created as the fringe strip, and then connecting two 3 mm brown color strips with this. Then start creating the fringe flower using quilling tool. Like this, secure the end, and this is done. Then taking here 4 cm diameter yellow color cardstock circle and sticking my fringe flower in the center of the yellow paper. It will be the center of your sunflower. Opening the fringes carefully and then just trimming the extra parts which are coming out using scissors. And this is ready. Now on the edge adding glue and start arranging the dark yellow color petals one by one around the edge. So first layer is ready. Now rotate the flower and between two petals I am sticking light yellow color petals so that it will be visible from top, and just completing it all over the edge. And after adding all the petals, our beautiful sunflower is completely ready. It's looking absolutely amazing and nicely finished. Now I'm starting with making the lavender. So here I'm taking 1/4 strip of medium purple color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, we need total 6 petals and already created total 7 petals of light purple color with the same process. Now taking 1/4 strip of green color in 3 mm, folding it into half, adding glue and on both sides connecting these petals one by one using glue. And the lavender flower is ready. Then to create leaf of lavender, here I am taking same green color strip and creating 4 to 5 loops in increasing order like this. Cutting the excess strip, add glue and then just bend your petal like this. Now connecting the petal with the stem of the lavender, and with the same method I have prepared total 4 lavenders. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. Now joining total 5 petals together to create the flower. And in the center of the flower I am attaching beautiful golden color stones. Similarly I have prepared some more filler flowers. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly I have prepared one more. Now taking 1/4 strip of dark green color 3 mm strip and making one leaf shape. Then joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this whole petal using dark green color strip. So the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared some more leaves. So all our flowers, leaves and fillers are ready. Then taking here white color cardstock, which is 20 by 20 centimeters, folding this from center as the card base. This is having 300 GSM thickness. Now on top of this adding 9.5 by 19.5 centimeter purple color cardstock. And then on top of this I am adding this 9 by 19 centimeter cardstock, which is having beautiful texture, which I have made using scoring board. This is looking like a corrugated sheet. And our card base is ready. Now it's time to arrange everything. So first I am sticking the jar base exactly in the center bottom and then start arranging all the flowers like lavender, sunflower and the filler flowers. Few flowers I am sticking in the bottom as well. Then adding the beautiful sentiment happy birthday, which is handwritten in the bottom corner of the card. And then adding few dots here and there using black marker just to give a card little shabby chic so that the background will not looking empty. And the beautiful shaker jar card with the quilled flower arrangement is completely ready. And instead of sunflower and lavender, you can create roses or gerbera flower or daisy flower, whatever you like, you can put inside the jar. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly, and if you have any new ideas, just share with me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.